Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to do this video. You guys loved when I did the testing of Priyanka Chopra's facial mask, homemade. I am here to test out Priyanka Chopra's lip scrub. And this is also DIY or homemade, all natural. A lot of women in India also use this. So I am going to test it. I never tested this before. I never tried it. So I'm going to test it with you guys. And you guys are going to let me know in the comment below if you see any difference. Also, if you try it at home, please let me know how it worked for you. So we will test this. If you like this style of video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's get started. So to make this, we need a little bowl or container that you would put this in. Then you need sea salt. So now I don't know why she uses sea salt. I know it's grainy and it's probably good in exfoliating. But from what I know, I could be wrong, salt generally takes fluid out of your body or draws water out of your skin. So to me, if I have dry skin or dry lips, salt is kind of, I don't know, I would be kind of questionable, right? So anyway, that's what she used. So we're going to use that. And the amount, she really didn't specify how much to put. She said, if you have a big lip, use a little bit more. If you have small, use it a little bit more. In between, use it in between. That's it. I like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna use it for this one time. So I'm gonna take it about this much, a little bit more maybe. And then she uses rose water. Usually you could get this in an Indian store or at any ethnic area of a supermarket. It's rose water. And she said to put about a few drops, I guess. I'm not sure for what. I know rose water is good for your skin, for smoothing and brightening your skin and giving that radiant glow. So I'm assuming since your lip is skin also, probably do that. And it smells so nice, so rosy. So a few drops of that. And the base that holds it all is vegetable, pure vegetable, organic vegetable glycerin. So glycerin is more thick and it holds things together. It's almost like syrup like. So you just put some little bit of squirt, and I think my solution is like watery. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's very watery. So I'm going to add in some more salts because I'm assuming you have to have a paste consistency to do this. So now this looks good. This doesn't look like it's running. I am going to use this on my lips and then we'll see how this goes. I do have lipstick, so I'm assuming, you know, normally you would have makeup on and you would want to take that out. So I'm going to use my handy dandy Clinique's take the day off, and since I have liquid lipstick and my lips are very dry, I don't drink enough water, something that I'm working on, but this is a perfect way to try it because my lips are all dry and I use liquid lipstick, so that makes it more dry. I am going to take this off. Okay, so my lipstick is all gone and you could see my lips. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. As you can see, my lips is cracked and very dry. So I'm going to try this. It is very rough, so I'm hoping it's gonna take my dry skin off. The rose smell is very nice. I don't really feel the glycerin that much. As you could see, this salt is getting all pink, so I know it's taking something off. I think I would have loved sugar more. This is very salty. Some got into my mouth and it's very salty. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this off. So this is the final look, guys. It is a little soft, but my lips feels very dried out. As you could see, you see the lines. It's getting very dried out. But it did take that dead cell off, and it's, I guess it's not soft, it's very dry. See, my opinion, I would have used sugar because sugar has vitamin E in it, raw sugar. And it also has other qualities that would have helped your skin, and it doesn't dry out your skin. It's definitely drying my skin out right now. I feel like I have to put like a lip balm on or something. But I would have definitely used raw sugar. If you guys would like to see me doing a scrub with raw sugar, comment down below. Or if you want me to do a comparison of both, I will do it on my lips and we could compare it. Comment down below and I would love to do that. Actually, I'm going to try it and see if it makes a difference. But I guess it does exfoliate somewhat, but I don't like the fact that it dries out my skin. So that was my testing of Priyanka Chopra's lip scrub, and my lips are hurting and it's getting dry, so I'm gonna go put some balm on. I don't know if it's making it plumpier because it hurts, so I am not sure if it's gonna be plumpier. That'll be great, right? Anyway, I hope you like this. I hope it was helpful. Comment down below what your thoughts are. And I'm gonna go put that balm on because it really hurts to talk. So have a great day. Hit that like button, subscribe. God bless.